Bonjour everyone and welcome on in. Today I'm going to show you how to install battle.net on your Linux system and get you up and playing your favorite Blizzard games. Let's begin. Firstly, we need to download and install the launcher we'll use to install battle.net. I used to use Lutris, however, I've started using the Faugus launcher and found it to be a way better, if not the best way to install battle.net on Linux. So, if you're on Bazite, you can follow along directly. If you're on another distro, you're going to need to do a little translating if you don't have Bazaar. You can use FlatHub, Discover, the Software Center, or anywhere you can get Flatpaks. You can also install it as a system package if you prefer that method. But since I'm on Bazite, it will be the Flatpak version. Let's begin by opening Bazaar and typing in Faugus, F-A-U-G-U-S for the Faugus launcher. Click Get, click Install, and when it's done, click Open. You can now close Bazaar, or whatever Flatpak store or software center you were using to get your package. In Faugus Launcher, click on the plus button on the bottom left. At the top, where it says Games and App, make sure you're in that tab. Click on Windows Game to drop the box down. Scroll down to battle.net and give it a click. You can choose to have shortcuts in the desktop or app menu. I like to have a shortcut in the app menu because why not? By default, it'll use Proton CachyOS latest. I guess that's what they decided worked best with the battle.net launcher, but you can choose your own should you so wish, like GE Proton, always a good choice. Let's just go with the default CachyOS. Click OK. It'll launch with the battle.net installer. Just let it do its thing. Once you get to the login or sign up window, do not proceed. Close out of this and let the installation continue. There's an instruction to do so right here as well, should you forget. And battle.net is now successfully installed. You can double click on it or press the play button to get it launched. It'll make sure everything's up to date. And there's the login window. I'm going to use a little bit of movie magic to sign in without you seeing my login credentials. See you in a moment. And once the credentials are entered, it'll load up battle.net for the first time. It'll try locating your games. If you already have the games installed somewhere, click on Locate. and find them. I'm going to assume that you haven't installed the games yet, so click on Done. Welcome to battle.net. Click on Continue. You can do the tour if you'd like, or you can click on Skip Tour. And now you're ready to install your games. Just give a game a click on Install like you normally would, and start the install. Do the same for other games. And so on. And once your game is installed, just like in Windows, click on Play, and you should be off to the races. We'll just close out of this cinematic. And there you go. You're playing your Blizzard games. So, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, give it a like. Let me know what you thought in the comments. Share it with your friends, your family, your co-workers, the cat down by the bus stop, grumpy guy on the street corner. Anyone you see, really. It helps me out greatly. And most importantly, have yourself a great night and happy gaming. I'll see you in the next one.